Hi, Viper Chemistry students. Hey, you have reached the end of Unit 7, and now you get to demonstrate your skill set of how to solve these problems, mass problems, limiting reactant problems, and percent yield problems. So let's take a look at what is before you here. Now, you have a periodic table to work with, you have a reference sheet to work with, and then I think there are a total of 11 different questioned boxes that you have to submit. And then after that, of course, you'd submit the whole entire test. So um, these first two, questions 1 and 2, are just simply uh, compounds that you'll have to figure out what the correct formula is for these, and then write the molar mass. So just do molar mass for those two compounds for questions 1 and 2. Then when we get to question 3, you will see an equation here, chemical equation that is not balanced. And so here is where you're going to probably need to have a piece of paper or something, a document, to write down your balanced equation. Then you're going to be given a value here of mass, and it's requiring you to do a mass problem. So when you have done that on a piece of paper, taken a picture, or do it on a document, or some other way of doing that, then in question 4 you will upload that file. So notice that question 3 and 4 go together. The answer goes in this box for this problem, and then showing your work needs to be uploaded through this app right here. Okay, that's it. And at that point, you can show your entire work, the balanced equation, how you did your mass problem, and then the solution. I always like to encourage you also to show your work when you do your molar mass values, because then it reveals if you made any mistakes. So just keep that in mind. Try to be very detailed. Now, moving on, same thing with question 5 and 6. You have a chemical reaction outlined here. You will need to balance it. You will do a mass problem and give your solution here in this box. And then you will show your work again, upload your file and show your work. So that's 5 and 6. 7 and 8 moves to a percent yield problem. And so what it's asking for then is, what is the percentage yield of this problem right here? And then you would write that in this box. Okay. Again, 7 and 8 tie together. Now in these problems, you'll have to take the word equation here and form a balanced equation from that. So you'll have to write the correct formula for sodium bromate, reacts with calcium, and then predict the products. And then once you have balanced that equation, include that again on a document that you can upload, and show your entire work, the balanced equation, your mass problems, and your percentage yield. Okay, finally, the last challenge here is 9, 10, and 11 tie together. Calcium reacts with nitrogen. So again, you're going to take this synthesis reaction, and it's going to create a product. Make sure you do the balanced equation for it. And then you need to know what the limiting reactant is for this product, for this particular problem. Okay, so identify your limiting reactant here. Which one was the limiting reactant? The one that formed the lowest mass, you enter here. And then show your work here. Okay. Good luck. I look forward to grading these. I know you'll do well, but if you have questions, be sure to reach out. Thank you for watching.